Today we have to learn the some remaining problems in a practice set 1.3. Practice set 1.3 based on similar triangles and their test. आपण आज प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मधील राहिलेले प्रॉब्लेमचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Problem number 5. In a trapezium PQRS, side PQ is a parallel to side SR. AR is equal to phi into AP, AS is equal to phi into AQ. Then prove that SR is equal to phi into PQ. समलंब चौकोन PQRS मध्ये बाजू PQ समांतर बाजू SR दिलेली आहे आणि AR is equal to phi into AP, AS is equal to phi into AQ हे दिलेलं आहे. त्यावरून सिद्ध करा की SR is equal to phi PQ. Given that in problem AR is equal to phi AP. उदाहरणामध्ये दिलेलं आहे AR बरोबर phi into AP. AR is equal to phi into AP. We can write this AP goes on this side, we get divide AR as AP is equal to phi as 1. We get equation number 1. जे दिलेलं आहे AR बरोबर phi into AP, यावरून आपण हा AP जर या बाजूला गेला तर डिवाइड होईल, जे छेदस्थानी जाईल, म्हणजेच AR as AP is equal to phi as 1. Equation number 1 we get. Another given AS is equal to phi into AQ. Also AS is equal to phi into AQ. We can write numerator and denominator. AQ goes on this side, we get divide AS as AQ is equal to phi as 1. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, a ratio is equal phi as 1. Then we can write from equation 1 and 2 AR as AP is equal to AS as AQ. समीकरण 1 आणि 2 मध्ये रेशिओ समान आहे, गुणोत्तर सारखे आहे, म्हणून LHS साइड ही सारखी असेल, म्हणून AR as AP is equal to AS as AQ. Equation number 3. In a triangle SAR in figure and triangle QAP, या दोन त्रिकोणाचा विचार करूया. आकृतीमध्ये ट्रायंगल SAR and triangle QAP. In these two triangle, from equation 3, AR as AP is equal to AS as AQ. म्हणजे AR आणि AP यांचं गुणोत्तर हे AS as AQ या गुणोत्तराबरोबर आहे. या दोन त्रिकोणाचा जर आपण विचार केला तर संगत बाजूचे गुणोत्तर समान आहे. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 3, इक्वेशन 3 वरून AR as AP is equal to AS as AQ. And angle SAR is a congruent angle QAP is a vertically opposite angle. Hence, triangle SAR is a congruent triangle QAP by using SAS test. When two triangles are corresponding similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. आपण दोन त्रिकोणाच्या दोन संगत बाजूचे गुणोत्तर आणि संगत बाजूचा समाविष्ट कोन एकरूप आहे, म्हणून त्रिकोण SAR आणि त्रिकोण QAP हे SAS टेस्टने सिमिलर आहेत. आणि जेव्हा दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग बाजू प्रमाणात असतात. When triangle SAR similar triangle QAP corresponding sides are proportional, then we can write AR as AP is equal to AS as QA is equal to SR as PQ, and ratio of each corresponding sides is the same as phi as 1. समरूप त्रिकोणाच्या संगत बाजू AR ही बाजू AP च्या संगत आहे, SA ही बाजू QA च्या संगत आहे आणि SR ही बाजू QP च्या संगत आहे, म्हणून हे गुणोत्तर समान आहे आणि या गुणोत्तराची किंमत फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 and 3 phi as 1 आहे. We can write this SR as PQ is equal to phi as 1. Cross multiplication, SR into 1 is a SR is equal to phi into PQ is a phi into PQ. We can write therefore SR is equal to phi PQ. Hence it is a proof in a given problem. Prove that SR is equal to phi into PQ. SR is equal to phi into PQ. Problem number 6. In a trapezium ABCD, side AB is a parallel to side DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect in a point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15, then find OD. In a trapezium ABCD, समलंब चौकोन ABCD मध्ये side AB is a parallel to side CD. बाजू AB बाजू CD ला समांतर आहे. And diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect at point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15, then find OD. First, to show two triangles are similar, triangle AOB and triangle COD. In a trapezium ABCD, side AB is a parallel to side DC. It is given. In a triangle AOB and triangle COD, या दोन त्रिकोणामध्ये angle AOB is a congruent angle COD. Phi, vertically opposite angle. Angle CDO is a congruent angle ABO. Why? It is alternate angles because side AB is a parallel to side CD and BD is their transversal. Then angle CDB is a congruent angle ABD. Also we can write angle CDO congruent angle ABO. It is alternate angles. Hence, triangle AOB is a congruent triangle COD by using AA test. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion in triangle AOB and triangle COD. त्रिकोण AOB सिमिलर ट्रायंगल COD आहे. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या संगत बाजू प्रमाणामध्ये असतात. We can write their corresponding sides are in proportion. AO as CO is equal to OB as OD is equal to AB as CD. Write the corresponding side from triangle AOB similar triangle COD. Then the given AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15. From this equal proportion, we can write the ratio OB as OD is equal to AB as CD. Substitute the value of AB, CD and OB. OB is equal to 15 upon OD is equal to AB is a 20, DC is a 6. Cross multiplication, OD into 20 and 6 multiplied to 15. OD into 20 is equal to 15 into 6. Therefore, 20 goes on this next side, then we get divide 15 into 6 upon 20. 15 and 20 divide by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Then we get 3 into 6 upon 4. Again 4 and 6 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Then we get 3 3s are 9. 9 upon 2 is equal to 4.5 is the value of OD. In this way, to find the value of OD. पहा, जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या संगत बाजू प्रमाणात असतात. मग OB ॲज OD बरोबर AB ॲज CD या संगत बाजू प्रमाणात घेतल्यास त्यानंतर यांच्या किमती ठेवा. OB इज इक्वल टू 15, AB 20, CD इज 6. तिरकस गुणाकार केल्यानंतर OD मल्टिप्लाय 20 इज इक्वल टू 15 इंटू 6. हा 20 पुढे घ्या, डिवाइड होईल. जर आपण भाग दिला 5 ने, 5 त्रिक 15, 5 चौक 20. 3 इंटू 6 अपॉन 4 प्लस 6 आणि 4 ला जर 2 ने भाग दिला 3 3 जा 9, 9 by 2 is 4.5. This is the value of OD is equal to 4.5. Next one problem. Problem number 7. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersect ray AB in a point T. Prove that DE multiply BE is equal to CE multiply DE. चौकोन आकृतीमध्ये चौकोन ABCD हा पॅरालिलोग्राम आहे. पॉइंट E is on side BC. Line DE intersect ray AB at a point T. Then prove that BE DE multiply BE is equal to CE multiply TE. When to prove, then we have to consider two triangles in the figure, triangle CED and triangle EBT. In a triangle CED and a triangle BET. Therefore, angle CED is a congruent angle BET. Why? The vertically opposite angle. त्रिकोण CED मध्ये आणि त्रिकोण BET या दोन त्रिकोणाचा विचार केल्यास अँगल CED कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँगल BET, कारण हे दोन अँगल वर्टिकल अपोजिट अँगल आहेत. In a parallelogram ABCD, opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, angle CDE हा कोण and angle BTE हा कोण. When line AD and line BC is a parallel and DT is their transversal, then to form angle CDE is a congruent angle BTE. It is a alternate angles. Here AB is a parallel to DC, hence BT is also parallel to DC and DT is their transversal. Then to form angle CDE is a congruent angle BTE by alternate angles. Therefore, by using corresponding vertices, E is a corresponding to E, D is a corresponding to T, and remaining point E is a corresponding to E. Therefore, C, E, D corresponding vertices BET. Therefore, triangle CED similar triangle BET by using AA test. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Then we get CE as BE is equal to ED as ET is equal to CD as BT. Then we have to consider the two equal ratio contain DE, BE, CE and TE. Therefore, CE as BE is equal to DE as TE. Cross multiplication to multiply DE multiply BE is equal to CE multiply TE. Hence it is a proof DE multiply BE is equal to CE multiply TE. In this way, it is a proof. In the figure, in a triangle ABC, in the figure, in a triangle ABC, point D is on side BC, such that angle BAC is a congruent angle ADC. Then prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. आकृतीमध्ये त्रिकोण ABC आहे. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये पॉइंट D हा बाजू BC वर असा आहे की अँगल BAC हा अँगल इज अ कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँगल ADC. आकृतीमध्ये सारख्या चिन्हांनी दाखवलेले जे अँगल आहेत हे दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट दिलेले आहेत, अँगल BAC आणि अँगल ADC. सिद्ध करा की CA square is equal to CB into CD. Answer of this problem: in a triangle ABC, point D is on side BC such that angle BAC is a congruent angle ADC. It is given, हे दिलेले आहे प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये, त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये बिंदू D हा बाजू BC वर असा आहे की angle BAC is a congruent angle ADC. It is given. In a triangle BAC, हा triangle in figure, triangle BAC and triangle ADC ह्या दोन त्रिकोणाचा विचार करूया. In a triangle BAC and triangle ADC, in these two triangle, angle BAC is a congruent angle ADC. It is given. Angle BAC is a congruent angle ADC. हे उदाहरणामध्ये दिलेलं आहे. And angle ACB is a congruent angle DCA. ACB and angle DCA. These two angles congruent because it is common angle in both triangle. Hence, by using corresponding vertices, triangle BAC is a similar triangle ADC by using AA test. आणि म्हणून एका त्रिकोणाचे दोन कोण दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या दोन संगत कोणाशी एकरूप असल्यामुळे ट्रायंगल BAC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल ADC होईल by AA test. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side are in same proportion. We can write their proportional side. BA as BD, AD, sorry, BA as AD is equal to AC as DC is equal to BC as AC. From this equal ratio, we can write AC as DC is equal to BC as AC. Take these two corresponding sides are in same proportion, and to write cross multiplication, AC into AC is equal to BC into DC. Then AC into AC is a AC square is equal to CB into CD. Hence it is a proof. Write down homework. First problem: diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD intersect in a point Q if 2QA is equal to QC, 2QB is equal to QD, then prove that DC is equal to 2AB. अशा प्रकारचा प्रॉब्लेम आपण अगोदर घेतलेला आहे. आणि सेकंड प्रॉब्लेम फॉर होमवर्क. In the figure, BP is a perpendicular to AC, CQ is a perpendicular to AB, that is A dash P dash C, and A dash Q dash B. Then prove that triangle APB and triangle AQC are similar. या आकृत्यांचा विचार करा आणि हे दोन उदाहरणे तुम्हाला होमवर्कसाठी आहेत.